Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project, tap New Project, and import the photos you need. Once added, make sure the project ratio matches your destination, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels. You should quickly reorder images into your intended sequence and delete obvious duplicates. This reduces later trimming. While doing this, pay attention to resolution and orientation so you don't correct it mid-edit. Now move to the timeline. Now focus on timing and motion. Tap each photo to set a duration, try between 0, 5 and 5, 0 seconds depending on tempo. Once done, add motion using the motion presets or keyframes to create pan and zoom. This adds cinematic feel versus static images. Make sure transitions are consistent by using the same transition family and layer text, stickers, or overlays where needed. Also adjust opacity and blend modes to avoid harsh visual jumps. When satisfied, preview playback for rhythm and flow. Finish by balancing color and sound. Use the Adjust menu to tweak exposure, contrast, and saturation so photos match each other, and apply a filter if you want a unified look. Then set export options. Pick resolution, frame rate, and bitrate that match your platform, and tap Export. If something goes wrong, like audio drift or missing frames, first retime the clips or re-import the problem photo. If that fails, clear Capcut's cache or restart the app. One simple troubleshooting tip: re-export at a lower bitrate to rule out rendering strain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.